Hey, guess who it is? It's me again. Come on in to Merkley Supply for your stone cleaning products, solutions for cleaning. Your stone, natural stone, different type of sealer than sealers used on concrete. So if your stone's a little dull, dirty, needs to be a little bit of a uplift, you could turn around, do a little bit of a water test on it, which you've seen us do in the past, and you can see how much brighter the stone gets when we apply a sealer to it. Sometimes just cleaning the stone will bring some of that natural beauty back. But if it doesn't, then we turn to our cleaners. We have different types of cleaners. We have non-acidic cleaners. We have stain poultices to draw the stain from the barbecue out of the stone. Then we can finish off with a gloss sealer or stone enhance to enhance the color of the sealer. So remember, when you're working with sealers, don't use paper towel, use a cloth to wipe off the excess. Don't use that steel brush because pieces can break off and rust your stone, especially if it's a light colored stone. So you want to use a soft bristle brush, remember soft, to scrub your stone and clean it. So to bring back the natural beauty of your stone, you want to come into Merkley Supply, see our experts, trust their knowledge, training, experience to help you beautify your stone.